ka high level committee lane ke HLC menta kasngi kaladep ban ay ka kaipot bapura shaka sarkar jilla hagabayede baka jingbishar pnia halor kamat ban wengno yekibreu ki basa haga them metor lane ka harijan koloni habayethu halor kane ka benta nakaliang ucharman ke HLC upa preston tensong ulayethu baka high level committee kala dep ban ai ka kaipot ka bapura shaka sarkar jilla hakaba nakaliang ka sarkar kan bishar pnia halor kane ka kaipot hapo ka jingyalang jongki kunhun menteri ka ban sashim yakarai ka bakhaddo halor ka te ka benta ulo ongru ba mentahi on patla banong AA namar bo udei tang ucharman jong ka HLC ba ulo ongru menta kasngi lala ban pendap iki kaipot hakaba nakaliang menteri rangba ka jella on sa bishar pnia yakane ka kaipot bat on sara banyatai haka jingyalang jong ki kunhun menteri
today to our honorable chief minister. So let us see after submitting the report. Again, the next step is government will sit down, cabinet will sit down, and we will go point by point, line by line. So let us wait till the cabinet sits. Because right now I can't say anything because I'm the chairman of the high level committee. So I'm just informing you that we already completed our task and today we already submitted the report.
By when government?
I can't say right now. Since we already submitted, as I said to you, let the cabinet, the honorable chief minister will go through everything and then he will bring it to the cabinet. It can be done only when the cabinet discuss all the details. It is the duty of the government to brief or to detail all of you once the decision is taken. Because see, by convention, when we submit the report means what? We just submit the report. I have nothing to say anything. Then government will take detailed discussion on this, and ultimately when they take a decision, they will brief the press, and then we will come out in a proper manner how to inform the citizens of this thing. I can't say anything as I said because just tonight we submitted the report. We have already submitted the report, so now it is up to the government. So let the chief minister and let the officers study everything and then bring it to the cabinet. When that I can't say. But I would like to see that the discussion takes place at the earliest possible in the cabinet.